Which president in 1922 brought the first radio into the White House?
Harding.
In the hit comedy series Everybody Loves Raymond, what does Raymond do for a living?
Sports writer.
What country owns the Canary Islands?
England.
What English comedian is credited as creator, executive director, producer, director, and starring actor in the Netflix show Afterlife?
Pass.
What planet in our solar system has the longest day?
Jupiter.
What English comedian is credited as creator, executive director, producer, director, and starring actor in the Netflix show Afterlife?
Double pass.
Time. Kyle, give us a scouting report. How did you do?
So-so.
Okay. All right, I'm going to put you on hold. We'll see. We'll get the wings in here.
I'm waving him in right now.
Wings on his way back in.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool, calm, and collected.
Yeah. Trying to be,
All right. Last chance for the week. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hot Wings, your turn. Dumber Than the Show trivia begins in 3, 2, 1. Which president in 1922 brought the first radio into the White House?
Woodrow Wilson.
In the hit comedy series Everybody Loves Raymond, what does Raymond do for a living?
He's a sports writer.
What country owns the Canary Islands?
Pass.
What English comedian is credited as creator, executive director, producer, director, and starring actor in the Netflix show Afterlife?
Ricky Gervais.
Which planet in our solar system has the longest day?
Oh boy. I'll say Pluto.
What country owns the Canary Islands?
Australia.
Time. Alex, how did you do?
Well, that one would be helpful if I knew where those were.
It would. Probably.
Maybe. Well, not necessarily. I know. I mean, it could be the Dutch, and it could be, who knows?
But yeah.
But I think decent.
I think when you say Canary with an Australian accent, it sounds right. Like, we're going to the Canary Islands. Sounds right.
Canary.
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 Does kind of work.
Canary.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Let's score the
But I
game.
don't know.
Kyle, welcome back. Which president in 1922 brought the first radio into the White House 100 years ago? Howing said Woodrow Wilson. Kyle said Warren Harding.
I don't really know when.
Kyle knows his presidential trivia.
Oh.
It was Harding.
Wow.
That is correct. 1-0. Wilson was president during World War I, I think.
But that's not that far apart, so I don't.
Correct.
I don't know.
I'm not willing to
that era I'm not too good about.
1-0, Kyle. In the hit comedy series Everybody Loves Raymond, what does Raymond do for a living? Howing said sports writer. Kyle said sports writer. Boom, both correct.
Crap.
2-1, Kyle.
Uh-oh.
Which country owns the Canary Islands? Hot Wings said Australia. Kyle said England. The answer is Spain.
Spain?
Yes.
Who let them keep something?
I don't know.
Yes.
2-1, Kyle. What English comedian is credited as creator, executive director, producer, director, and starring actor in the Netflix show Afterlife? Owings said Ricky Gervais. Kyle did not answer that question. Hot Wings is correct, and we are tied at 2.
Ooh, thank
Last
God.
question. You both have different answers. Which planet in our solar system has the longest day? Hot Wings said Pluto. Kyle said Jupiter. The planet. Now, if one of you gets this right, that person wins the game. Otherwise, we go to the clocks tied at 2. The planet that has the longest day One day on this planet is equivalent to 243 Earth days. That's how slowly it rotates on its axis. And that planet is Venus.
Venus.
2-2.
man.
We go to the clocks.
Oh, boy,
And
I
my
passed on
impression,
one.
Joe, having been in the past and now being in the future too,
Mm-hmm.
is it's very close.
It's a 10-second game. The loser did it in 50 seconds, and the winner did it in 40 seconds. The winner today is Hot Wings!
I was a little bit worried because I had that Canary Islands pass.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, those were tough.
He had a
Good
pass,
pull
too.
on Harding.
Ricky passed on the Ricky Gervais question, which is a significantly longer question.
Yeah, that does make a difference.
Well, Kyle,
Yeah,
thank
that
you
was
for
fun.
playing. All right, man.
Yep.
Thanks, Kyle.
All right.
We'll
yeah.
see you.
Yeah, bye.